Hi, I'm Larry Puckett, the DCC Guy. This is going to be a really short video for you today because I just have a very simple request. In a lot of my videos, I have a tendency sometimes to mention things in passing and not actually follow through and fill in the blanks for you. For example, in a lot of my installation videos, when I'm talking about installing decoders, I mention that it's a good idea to check and make sure that your motor is isolated. But I don't remember that I've ever actually gone through the process of showing you how to check to see if a motor is electrically isolated. So that's something that I need to follow up with in a video and give you guys a way of testing your motors and finding out if they are electrically isolated from the frame and safe to go ahead and install a decoder in. Another thing that I really have not gone into is testing a locomotive motor to find out which direction the locomotive is going to go once you install a decoder. And it's a fairly straightforward thing to do, but a lot of people aren't aware of how to go about doing that. So I want to go ahead and do a video on how to check motors. And I'm sure there are a lot of other things that I have mentioned in videos over the last couple of years that have left some people wondering exactly how to go about doing what I suggested. So what I want to do is ask you to add your suggestions in the comments for this video, telling me anything like that I might have skipped over and not given you a full set of instructions on how to follow up and do something. Another thing that came up recently was the video on the sound card, because in that video I talked about the basic sounds that have been available in the sound car since about 2014. However, the folks at Soundtrax have released a second version of the sound car that has just tons more sounds available to you. So what I need to do is, as soon as I can get my hands on one of those, I'll do a follow-up video showing you all of the other sounds, like the cattle and the sheep and whatever else is available on those newer versions of the sound car. So those are just 3 examples of things that I might have glossed over in previous videos. Also, you know, I do get a lot of comments from you guys, hundreds of comments sometimes on videos. And although I do read each one of them and try to answer every one when somebody asks me a specific question about something, sometimes with the large number of comments that I get on some of these videos, I lose track of your specific suggestions and questions and things of that nature. So right now would be a great time to go ahead and give me your suggestions for topics for videos, things that I have not covered in the past, and things that you might like for me to address, because, you know, there's just a lot of material to cover when it comes to DCC and model railroading in general. And I'm more than happy for you guys to tell me what you'd like to see, because otherwise I have to kind of come up with it all by myself. That's what I'm asking you. Add your ideas to the comments and I'll see what I can do. In the meantime, have a good week, and we'll see you here hopefully on Friday with another video from the DCC Guy. That's assuming I can think of a topic to come up with by Friday. So take it easy. We'll see you on Friday. Bye now.